Hi everyone, today we're going to look into English First Language 1111 and we're going to look into specifically paper 2 component, which is informal letter writing with descriptive element. Yeah, so before we look into the descriptive element in informal letter writing itself, we will look into a little bit on the component of paper 2 itself. So as we already know at this point of time, both of the papers, paper 1 and also paper 2, we have section A and also section B. And specifically talking about our paper 2 here, which is a fiction paper, Section B itself consists of descriptive writing, or they can test you on narrative writing, or they can test you on informal letter writing. They can test us on all this question. What we're going to specifically look into in this video will be on how an informal letter writing should be written with narrative element. Okay, so that's the part that we're going to look into detail in terms of how do we answer, how do we tackle basically what we need to do in order to answer such question. Informal letter writing with descriptive element. Okay, so first thing first, we need to understand the requirement of the question. Although they have written clearly, write an informal letter or write a letter to your friend, but what they're basically asking after that would be to include description. As an example, write an informal letter to your friend describing about the recent holiday that you have gone to. So we are trying to describe what we have done. That's the requirement of the question. Although they are asking us to write an informal letter, we need descriptive element based on the question. Next part, we need to understand that the essay is written for exam purpose. We should not describe merely describing with the intention that, oh, the examiner will know what I'm talking about. We need to describe in such a way that it's going to be very specific, that we have to put an idea in our mind that the examiner has no idea on what I'm talking about. When we have such idea, we're going to describe in detail. Yeah. Next part, we need to write according to the required format. This is where the format of informal letter writing comes into the picture. Our content is going to be descriptive, since we are incorporating descriptive element. Let's say that's the question that we get, but the format is going to be informal letter writing. So we are merging both of this writing in one essay. Yeah, next we have to stick to the word limit. Of course, this is a basic understanding or basic requirement. If the question is asking you to write between 300 to 350 word, please do not write anything less than 300 or anything more than 350. Let's try to adhere to 300, between 300 to 350 words. Next, write according to the informal letter format, but be sure to include descriptive element. Some of us, the moment we read the question, write an informal letter, we immediately write an informal letter, but we do not include the descriptive element. It is very crucial, or it is very important for you to include descriptive element in your informal letter writing. This is because as you include descriptive element, only then will you be able to get marks. Otherwise, you will only get format marks, which is just informal letter writing. The content mark, you're going to lose your content mark because the content itself is descriptive element. Yeah. How do we include descriptive elements? It comes back to our descriptive writing that at this point we should know, which is to include adjectives, we include adverbs, we include imagery words. If we don't really know what is imagery words, then this refers to our senses: sense of sight, sense of smell, sense of taste, sense of touch. Yeah, so all these things. It gives vivid description rather than vague description to the examiner. So this is how we can tackle informal letter writing with descriptive element. It's just writing a letter to our friend, to our family members, depending on the question, with our descriptive elements being incorporated in the question itself. So with that, we are done with informal letter writing with descriptive element. Thank you.